Welcome to State of Tech. Let's take a look at Preside, which is available for the iPhone and the iPad. So go ahead and open this up, and what it's going to do is sign me in with my email account that I signed in with, and it's going to begin downloading my emails. So any new emails that I've gotten since I last opened, it's going to begin downloading, and I can see this up here in the activity ticker. So you see it's catching up, it's downloading a few different emails for me, and once it's done, I'll now be able to categorize and move those emails wherever I need them to go. So once I look at an email, so I have my inbox here on the right hand side, I have the inbox up here, and then I have the email that's currently selected. I have a preview down below that. Over on the left hand side of the screen, I have all the different folders that are associated with my mail account. And then what I'm going to be able to do now is drag all of the emails on the right hand side and categorize them and send them to different category folders, so that way I can find them and organize my inbox better. So whenever I actually tap on one, I'm going to get a suggested folder. So to actually move an email to a suggested folder, or any folder for that matter, all I have to do is tap and hold on it and then just drag it over to either the suggested folder over here or any one of my other folders. And I can quickly create new folders by tapping up here in the top left hand corner and then tapping on new. Here I'll be able to give my folder a name, choose the account that I want that folder to be associated with, and do I want that folder to have read email capabilities, and I can even choose the parent folder. Now if I wanted to compose new email or reply to the people or person that I'm viewing the email from, just tap this reply button in the top right hand corner. You see I have a reply all. I can even forward attachments, do a new email to this person, so this specific person I'm viewing the email from, I can create a new email, or I can just do a new blank email, which will go ahead and load in and give me all my default email options. So I have my to field, my subject, it's already got in my signature, and then I can expand this to full screen so I can take advantage of the full size of my iPad. Now there are a lot of different apps that integrate in here with Preside. So if I tap on the create button up here, I can add objects to my calendars, reminders, or if I tap on more, there's a lot of different apps that integrate with Preside that'll actually help me get things done faster. So I can add things to to-do lists and things. I can add notes to Evernote, different calendars to Fantastical. So if I were to have any of those other apps installed on my device, I can actually integrate Preside with them. Now another great feature of Preside is the search options. If I come up here and tap on search, I can actually enter in keywords. And because all of my emails have been downloaded to my device, this doesn't require an internet connection. All I have to do is type in something I'm looking for. So if I was looking for a specific keyword, just type that in, hit search, and it's going to search for either people or emails. And you see now emails are populating in. I see all my keywords highlighted in yellow, and then I can find the email that I was looking for. I can make this full screen, or I can go ahead and minimize it back to how it was. So those are some really cool options for doing some searches. And if I was actually viewing an email, what I can do now is we'll go ahead and clear out our search. So when I tap on the conversation button when I have a threaded email, what this will do is show me the entire conversation view. So I thought that was really neat that you can actually go through and see the entire conversation in one little sidebar instead of having to swipe through a bunch of different emails. And there are some other options. I can open up a web browser right up here so I can view the whole HTML view. And then if I wanted to, I can even open it up in Safari. Then I have my activity ticker, which we saw earlier, where this is downloading all of my emails and it's going to let me know when it's currently up to date. Then I have the shield where I can go premium. I can get extra themes, folder copying, unlimited usage, and priority support, which you can go ahead and purchase with an in-app purchase for either a yearly subscription or a monthly. Then we have our settings, which there are a lot of settings. We can customize our layout, which will allow me to give the different layout options. So I can move buttons around, I can move different contextual menus around. Go ahead and come in here and customize Preside to your exact specifications. Then for the basic, we have more, which is going to give me all of my basic settings. I can change my presets, my appearance, syncing, filing, sending. I can come in here and add in accounts and identities, and even with contextual dashboards, and then I can give the developers feedback coming here down below in the bottom of the settings. Preside is a really, really powerful email application. It's going to allow you to file these emails back and forth and actually search for emails when you're offline, because all the emails will live on your device. So once again, this application is called Preside. If you like it, pick it up for your iPad and iPhone in the App Store.